Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted now to ask you to stand up and put your hands side to start our national anthem. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
عيشي بلادي عاش اتحاد إماراتنا عشتي لشعب دينه الإسلام هديه القرآن حصلتك بسم الله يا وطن بلادي 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 حماك الإله شرور الزمان أقسمنا أن نبني نعمل نخلص مهما عشنا نخلص دام الأمان وعاش العلم يا إماراتنا رمز العروبة كلنا نفديك بدنا نرويك نفديك بالأرواح يا وطننا من المحيط إلى الخليج أملنا أمة عربية واحدة نموت لتحيا دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة.
Good morning, grade 2. How are you? I hope that all of you fine. Today we will have activity and we will work also with our book. I need from you to prepare your activity book, page number 65. And before everything, we should revise a few minutes for our topic as the usual. What are the different materials and their properties? So the same things now, and we still on the same topic about the different materials, and we will discuss the different properties. Are you ready for that? I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, go ahead now. We wanted to compare and group everyday materials. So you know that everything around us made of materials. Very good. And all the objects around us made of materials. Louder. I want to hear the sound louder, okay? We wanted to comparing and grouping everyday materials. Comparing, that's mean I want to classify them. Group them, I wanted to put them in the group. Maybe I will group them according to the name of the material, or I will group them according to the properties. Are you ready again? Okay, now we will start. What does materials means? Everything around us, as we know, it's made from a material. Objects may be made from wood, fabric, glass, plastic, clay, and you can check around your home also. You have many materials, your mom using, your dad using, your grandma using, all of them they are using the materials. So look around you, find 3 objects and see if you know which materials they are made of. Okay? And tell your mom about your answer. Now we should focus and learn. We are scientific people, so we should give all the answers as a scientific people now. Why it's made from that? All the time we are choosing some objects to made it from another material or different materials. Why I will use this material and I will not use another things? Put your hands in your mind and think with me. Objects are made from different materials because of the different things they can do. Think about what the following items are made from. The first pictures that we have it is window. I know that all of you can spell the window and you can write it with a nice handwriting. So window made from. Now we will check your answer. Grade 2. So the correct answer is glass. Why we will choose the glass? Because the glass transparent. What's the glass? Transparent. We can see through the glass. Very good, grade 2. Now we have another objects. This one, it's a pencil. All of you have your pencil with your hand now? Okay. What do you think? This pencil, it's made of what? Think, and we will check your answer. Very good, grade 2. So the correct answer, it will be made of wood. Most pencils need to be sharpened. Sharpeners cut the wood away so that they can still use the pencils and keep it sharp. That's why the correct options, it will be made of wood. Now you will have this one also, this picture. It's pan. We use it in the kitchen. What do you think the material it's made of? Think, and we will discuss your answer now. Good, grade 2 again. So the pan here made of metal. Why I will choose the metal? Pans need to get very hot to cook the food inside, and the metal can get very hot and we can cook our food using the metal materials. Thank you a lot. After we finish, guess this object's made of what? We will have another type of the questions about the material. How we can classify our materials. How we can join them together. How can I put them in one group? According to what? We should put our hands in our mind and think. I have the first picture here. Materials and their properties. All of the objects, they are made of different type of material. But how I put them in one group? According to what? Do you think you can know this one and guess with me? Start thinking now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good, grade 2. So we join this material because all of them, they are flexible materials. We can bend them easy. So the flexible materials, that's why we join all of these materials together. Flexible. Can you repeat it? Flexible. Now we have another type of materials. All of them, they are totally different. But why I will join them together? You should think now of your answer. Think as a scientific people. Think. All of them, they should have something together. What do you think it will be? Start to think now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good, grade 2. So the second time also you are answering correct. Because all of them, they are hard materials. They are what? Hard materials. Can you repeat it? Hard materials. Very good, grade 2. Now we will have another group. And totally all of them, they are different. We wanted to know why we put them on the same group. What it will be the properties that join them together. Are you ready to think now? Start.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good, grade 2 again. And this one actually it was very easy. So all of them, we join them together because all of them, they are soft materials. Because they are soft material. Can you repeat it? Soft material. Thank you, grade 2. Again, we have another group. But look, this one, little bit focus. What do you think? Why I put all this group together? Are you ready to think now? Very good, grade 2. Very good. So because they are transparent materials, because they are transparent, we can see through them. That's why we join them in one group. Thank you. Now we will back to our book. I need from you to open your activity book page number 65 and write the date up. Did you finish writing the date? We discussed these questions before in the last video, but we wanted to continue now. The same questions, complete the table. We have objects and we wanted to know what materials is the objects made of, and does the magnet attract the objects? We have, as you can see, these objects: drinking glass, electrical wire, eraser, face towel, and paper. What do you think these materials they are made of? And do you think they are attract to the magnet or no? Put your answer in your mind and we will discuss together each one alone. Remember that you can try all these materials if they are attract to the magnet or no. So the first one, it's drinking glass. It's mentioned for us glass, so we can write they are made of glass. But do you think it will attract? No, it will not attract. Electrical wire. Some few maybe they confused of the answer, but the correct answer, it's made of copper. And we discussed before that it will attract to the magnet. No, it will not attract. Eraser. The eraser, you have it. It's made of rubber. But do you think it's attract? Again, no, they will not attract. Face towel, they are made of fabric. They can attract? No. Paper, some few they have mistakes here. The paper, it's made of wood, and they will be attract to the magnet? No. Please write your answer now with a nice handwriting. I know that you are waiting for our activity. Our activity, it will be about absorbent material. For more details, you have this link and we write it in your weekly plan. You can press on it and check this video to make the activity together. As you can see here, we have some materials. We should prepare them first. He already have a paper tissue, and he already have several cups and water and food coloring. Please prepare all the material now, and you can join us. If you need a time, just stop the video and prepare everything, and I will wait you now. As you can see in the picture here, he started to put the food coloring, but he did not put for all the cups. Just the cups, they have water. The other cups, they don't have anything. They don't have water and they don't have also food coloring. You can arrange according to the food coloring that you have it in your home. Ask your mom to help you for this experiment. After that, he put all the tissue paper inside the cups. One side it will be in the coloring cup and the other side it will be in the empty cup. And he do it for all the cups, as you can see in the picture. After a few minutes, you can see the different colors it's coming on your tissue paper. This one, it will tell us about the absorbent material. That's mean the tissue paper can absorb some of the water. How we will know that? According to the color that we can see on the tissue paper. The last things, it will be your experiment like the same picture that you can see. It will be very beautiful and colorful. Please, when you are preparing and doing this activity, ask your mom or your dad, anyone who is near to you, to have a photo for you or some pictures or some video and send it to me to check what you already did. Have a nice day.